Last video we talked about the main function. What about other functions? So functions are generally things that help you abstract away complexity to something else or to another place. So for example, if I wanted to abstract what I just wrote in terms of hello world and my name is AJ, if I want to abstract that to something, I can write a function that's like, make introductions. Right? And that can actually do these two things. And now you can do make introductions. Just like that. So I basically rearranged some code, but it still does the same thing. So if I click play, the main function is going to call make introductions. And, you could not really care about what's going on here. You could just pretend that this is just someone else's job to handle this. And you could just call the right method. Then this is a way in which you can kind of encapsulate complexity. A real world example of this is like a TV remote, right? There is a function that's called the power button. And what it does is it, sends a Bluetooth signal, like a radio signal, to a receiver on the TV. Someone programmed that receiver to turn on the TV. And there's probably a bunch of more complicated electrical engineering involved, right? But from the perspective of a person that's wanting to watch television, all they need to know is that the power button has the function of turning on the TV. How it exactly works really doesn't matter. And so this is a benefit of having functions. I also interchange functions with methods. They're basically the same thing whenever I use it. So this is the power of basic functions.